Hello, my name is Carlos Alfao.
My name is Dawayne Chance. This is project a Dreamweaver.
This project is about making a website and designing the website.
Goal and description. Our goal was to create a website and design a community to work on a website to build a business and have it managed. Keep it simple. Make sure it's easy to read and easy to find and important information. Avoid a long block of text that people will not want to take time to read. Use a formal image color that fit the large audience. For example, if you want your website to be appeal portraying, design may be best. It is bright and colorful. If you attend that audience, the business professional.
Concept and learning. The learning of this project is that it takes teamwork and it will develop our skills because it helps us to speak up and be strong on our ideas to make a business or a management. It takes to build a business website with Dreamweaver and what to consider before getting started. Now that you understand the basic of building a business website in the Dreamweaver, it is your turn to develop a site of your own.
Finding expert about the project. We build our own project website, marketing, who is the target and purpose of the website. Project manager who makes sure the website gets finished.
Luego te enseñé el video del tipo que se mató.
Design and copyright. More fun, expert, more awesome. The project go and make a business and managing your own thing. Having fun, designing and creating a project. Challenge you counter during the project. The challenge that we counted that we have to develop a project, make it a good website, and make it a business for our website, and to find a solution to our website. And the challenge that we face, how we dealt with those difficulties that we solved, that we tried to solve a problem to make a business website, and so how to manage it. And it didn't work out because it didn't